Javier Muñoz. My name is Javiera Diaz.
And my name is Rodrigo Velasco. In the following video, we will present what is networking, functionalities, characteristics, some difference of networks that exist, the components that network need, and how information flow within the network.
Description of a connector. Hub is a device that allows you to centralize the wiring of a computer network and then expand it. It works in the physical layer, layer 1, of the OSI model, which will be explained later, or the media access layer in the TCP/IP model. This means that side device receives a signal and repeats the signal by emitting it through its different port repeater.
What is a switch? A switch, also called a network switch, is a hardware device capable of allowing communication between different devices in a network, such as in a local home network.
What is a router? It is a device that allows you to interconnect computers that work within the framework of a network. Its function, it is responsible for establishing the route that will be allocated to each data packet within a computer network.
Difference between hub, switch, and router. A hub corresponds to a hardware that allows the connection of many computers to the network. For example, if the hub contains 20 ports and there are 15 devices connected, the information delivered from one device is distributed to all to connect to the hub. In addition, the numbers of bits in speed for information transfer decreases for each connected device. Example, if the internet speed is 200 megabits, 200 megabits are divided by the amount of connected equipment. On the other hand, the switch, the information that you want to transfer from one device to another, the switch recognizes the MAC address of the device to the destination and sends the information. Therefore, the information is private and is not delivered to all connected equipment.
Router operation. Unlike the switch and the hub, the router is more intelligent because in addition to fulfilling the same function of these two, it also has the ability to choose the best route for a given data packet to reach its destination. Routers are devices to interconnect several networks and normally operate in conjunction with hub and switch.
What is firewalls? In computing, a firewall is the part of a computer network that is specifically to block unauthorized access, allow authorized communication at the same time. They are frequently used to prevent internet users from having access to private network. Connect to the internet, specifically intranets. All messages entering or leaving the internet pass through the firewall, which examine each message and block those that do not have the specific security criteria.
What is port? A port is an interface to which different types of data can be sent or received. What is LAN and WAN? The LAN type connection is a type of or small network that concentrates a small amount of equipment such as in a cab. Equipment is a concentrate within a network for contact between them. On the other hand, the type of one connection is the widest connection. For example, a city where there are many networks and the equipment is connected to different types of networks.
We identify the different types of layers that exist in OSI. Layer 7. Application. The application layer is the one at the top. It is what most users see. Layer 6. Presentation. Layer 5. Sessions. Layer 4. Transportation. Layer 3. Read. Layer 2. Data link. And Layer 1. Physics.
Function of commutation in Layer 2 and Layer 3. How switching takes place in the data link and network layers. There are two methods of data frame switching. Layer 2 switching, which consists of LAN switches setting frames based on the MAC address information of each team. Unlike Layer 3, that is based on the network layer address of the IP address of a computer. Layer 2 switching. The switching table is in addressable content memory. If the Layer 2 switch does not know where to send the frame, it sends the broadcast frame over all ports to the network, except for the port to which the frame was received. When a response is received, the switch registers the new address in the CAM. Features. Hardware-based switching with speed performance, high speed scalability, low latency. Use the MAC address, low cost. Layer 3 switching. It is a function of the Layer 3. Header information is examined and the packet is sent according to the IP address. Features. Send of hardware-based package. Switching of high-performance package. High-speed scalability. Low latency. Minor cost per port. Flow accounting. And finally, security.
My personal conclusion is very important when generate a connection between the teams on which I work, knowing that are the best ways to keep our information secure when transferring from one place to another, such as the switch to help us to transfer my information in a closed place and to the equipment that I want in specific.
My personal conclusion is the network are used to dispatch different types of service through different topologies and architectures. For this, it makes use of a great variety of equipment and technologies. Therefore, it is vitally important to obtain the knowledge and understanding of characteristics and behavior on the networks to make proper use of them, to use them as tools that allow the design and architecture of a communications structure appropriate to net of a corporation.